Are you tired of running out of ice at the worst possible moment, mid-party, during a heat wave, or when you're craving an iced coffee that actually stays cold? This Igloo electric countertop ice maker machine is here to revolutionize your beverage game. This sleek, stainless steel, portable powerhouse churns out 33 pounds of ice in just 24 hours, ensuring your drinks are always perfectly chilled. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why this ice maker is a must-have for every home, bar, or office, diving into its features, benefits, and why it's the ultimate convenience for ice lovers. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue, crafting cocktails, or just want a reliable supply of ice, this machine delivers. Let's break down why the Igloo ice maker is the game changer you didn't know you needed. Why you need the Igloo electric countertop ice maker. Imagine this. It's a scorching summer day, and your guests are arriving for a backyard gathering. You've got the drinks ready, but your freezer's ice tray is empty, and the store-bought ice bags are melting faster than your patience. The Igloo electric countertop ice maker solves this problem with its compact design, lightning-fast ice production, and user-friendly features. Measuring just 13.9 by 10.5 by 15.3 inches and weighing around 20 pounds, it fits seamlessly on any countertop without hogging space. Its portability, complete with a carry handle, makes it perfect for home, office, RV camping, or even poolside parties. This ice maker isn't just about convenience, it's about elevating your lifestyle. With a 2.5-quart water tank, it produces up to 33 pounds of ice daily, enough to keep your iced coffee, cocktails, or sodas chilled all day long. The machine churns out 9 cylinder-shaped ice cubes in as little as 7 minutes, so you're never left waiting. Plus, its self-cleaning function and intuitive LED control panel make it a breeze to use and maintain. Let's dive deeper into what makes this ice maker stand out. Key features that make the Igloo ice maker shine. The Igloo electric countertop ice maker is packed with features that blend style, functionality, and efficiency. Here's a closer look at what you're getting. Rapid ice production. Produces 9 small or large cylinder-shaped ice cubes in just 7 minutes, with a daily capacity of 33 pounds, perfect for high-demand settings like parties or home bars. Generous ice basket capacity. Stores up to 2 pounds of ice at a time, ensuring you have a steady supply for your drinks without constant refills. Compact and portable design. At 13.9 by 10.5 by 15.3 inches and 20 pounds. It's easy to move with a built-in carry handle, making it ideal for kitchens, dorms, offices, or outdoor events. Self-cleaning function. Features an automatic 5-cycle cleaning system, saving you time and ensuring every batch of ice is fresh and clean. User-friendly LED control panel. Illuminated controls let you select ice cube size, small or large, alert you when the water tank needs refilling or when the ice basket is full. Stylish stainless steel finish. Its sleek, retro-inspired design comes in multiple colors: stainless steel, black, aqua, and more, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Transparent viewing window. Watch the ice-making process in action, adding a fun and interactive element to your kitchen setup. Included accessories. Comes with a plastic scoop and removable ice basket for easy serving and transfer. These features make the Igloo ice maker a standout choice for anyone who values convenience, speed, and style in their appliances. Benefits that transform your beverage experience. Why invest in the Igloo electric countertop ice maker? Here are the top benefits that make it worth every penny. Never run out of ice again. With a 33-pound daily output, this machine ensures you're always ready for impromptu gatherings, daily iced coffee runs, or cocktail nights. Say goodbye to last-minute ice runs to the store. Effortless maintenance. The self-cleaning function eliminates the hassle of manual cleaning, saving you time and ensuring hygienic ice production every time. Versatile and portable. Its compact size and carry handle make it perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or outdoor events, giving you ice wherever you go. Customizable ice sizes. Choose between small or large cylinder-shaped ice cubes to suit your drink preferences, from refreshing sodas to sophisticated cocktails. Budget-friendly luxury. Priced competitively, this ice maker delivers high-end performance without breaking the bank, making it a smart investment for any household. These benefits translate into real-world convenience, ensuring your drinks are always ice cold and your hosting game is on point. Who is the Igloo Ice Maker perfect for? The Igloo electric countertop ice maker is designed for a wide range of users who crave convenience and reliability. It's ideal for home entertainers, perfect for those who love hosting parties, BBQs, or game nights and need a constant supply of ice for guests. Iced beverage enthusiasts. If you're obsessed with iced coffee, smoothies, or cocktails, this machine ensures you're never without ice. Small space dwellers. Its compact footprint makes it a great fit for apartments, dorm rooms, or tiny kitchens where space is at a premium. Outdoor adventurers, RV campers, tailgaters, or picnic lovers will appreciate its portability for on-the-go ice production. Office or small business owners. Keep your break room or small cafe stocked with ice for employees or customers without needing a bulky machine. Whether you're a busy parent, a cocktail connoisseur, or a professional on the go, this ice maker caters to your needs with style and efficiency. Real-world performance. What users are saying. After testing the Igloo electric countertop ice maker and scouring user feedback, it's clear this machine is a crowd pleaser. Many users rave about its speed, noting that it delivers ice in under 10 minutes, perfect for quick drink prep. The self-cleaning feature is a fan favorite, with users appreciating how it simplifies maintenance compared to other models. The ability to choose between small and large ice cubes also gets high praise for its versatility. However, some users note that the ice melts relatively quickly in the non-refrigerated basket, requiring transfer to a freezer for long-term storage. This is a minor trade-off, as the melted water recycles back into the reservoir for reuse. Others mention the machine can be slightly noisy, with a fan hum and ice dropping sound, but most find it unobtrusive for daily use. Overall, the consensus is that the Igloo delivers reliable performance and excellent value for its price point. Potential drawbacks to consider. No product is perfect, and the Igloo ice maker has a few quirks to keep in mind. The ice basket isn't refrigerated, so cubes may melt if not used or transferred promptly. This isn't a deal breaker, as the water recycles back into the tank, but it's worth noting for heavy ice users. Some customers report occasional inconsistencies in ice cube size, with large settings sometimes producing smaller cubes. Lastly, while the machine is relatively quiet, the fan and ice dropping sounds may be noticeable in small, silent spaces. These minor issues are outweighed by the machine's speed, ease of use, and affordability. Why the Igloo ice maker is a must-have. The Igloo electric countertop ice maker is more than just an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're chilling drinks for a crowd, crafting the perfect cocktail, or keeping your iced coffee game strong, this machine delivers unmatched convenience. Its rapid ice production, self-cleaning feature, and portable design make it a standout in the crowded ice maker market. Plus, its sleek stainless steel look adds a touch of sophistication to any setting. Don't let warm drinks ruin your day. With the Igloo ice maker, you'll have a steady supply of ice at your fingertips, no matter where you are. Ready to elevate your beverage game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make this game-changing ice maker yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.